Hi, I'm Anand, doctorate in finance with 31 years of experience in higher education, in teaching, research, consultancy and broad range of management responsibilities. A high-end personal computer is must for uninterrupted, interactive and immersive learning experience for students. I am into a lot of content creation, so I need a multi-purpose notebook with the touch screen and stylus. Also a laptop offering comprehensive connectivity ports which I can use in different work environments. My personal experience with the ASUS Expertbook B3 has been very satisfying for many reasons. I found Expertbook's anti-glare screen to be a great value as a user. With a 11-hour battery life, Expertbook B3 is quite suitable for full-day utility at the institute over a single charge. The military-grade durability of the device is something both students and teachers would prefer considering random user space at the institute. 360 flip mode with touchscreen and stylus is very helpful to use Expertbook both as notebook and tablet. I believe ASUS Education is already on the path of customer centricity with its effort to know end users and their scenarios.